quite dangerous if you slip.
Sure.
And nobody's listening to the head of this walk, who's trying to keep everyone safe.
Andy.
Nope. Hi! Everybody who knows the Poetry Ninja. A little companion Yugi. Probably one of the most popular internet dogs out there. No. Yugi is still popular. Alright, Yugi, come on.
Shonen Jump 24/7 here. Whoa!
Yep, I said watch your step, guys.
Here at Minnehaha Falls. There's a shot of the falls right there. And for our annual Cosplay nature walk. Do you realize this is a video camera, right?
That's why I did that later. If I had a beard, I'd be doing the none shall pass Gandalf joke. I really would. Because, are you ready for this? None shall pass. I'd be done at least once. Andy, what now?
Oh.
None shall pass. Please? Okay. Alright, thanks. See? It's a little commentary, so we need to concentrate.
Alright, that's enough for this one. See you guys a little bit later. Here we are. Minnesota River.
Get off me, get off me.
That trip was actually quicker than last year.
It smells like fish. That's the River River. Oh, fish. Tonkatsu sauce. I've never heard of it. I thought it was Japanese. Normally put it on the Japanese dish tonkatsu, which is essentially fried pork. Breaded and fried pork. Aircraft, get it up.
Away, ye knave.
Sand in my mouth.
I know.
Why is he always being upset?
He wants to get going again. He's a terrier after all. He wants to go all over.
Command and conquer.
Yugi, no. Fine. Nope.
Hey guys, Shonen Jump 24/7 here. Right up at the top of the falls again. I'm going to show you something interesting, if you can see them. Oh, it's already all zoomed in. People treat the top of the falls as a water fountain. Oh, a bunch of coins in there. Pennies. That's all I see. I don't see anything else besides pennies. Afraid you can't see it. Oh wait, there's one. There's one on the recorder. Right there. Right there. Yes, you can see them. some of them. I thought that was pretty interesting. Alright. That's all I wanted to show you right there. See you guys in another little bit. Well, the nature walk is over. Heading home now. Like I said before, it seemed really short since everything was pretty dry. Except for the fact that it has been raining. Or misting or whatever. Sorry if I shake the camera too much. Gotta watch for cars. Sorry about that. Sorry about the shaking. Just trying to do something. Well, I guess I'll see you guys later. Sorry if I didn't talk about much stuff this time. Oh well. See you later.